Aries, 21st November 2024. Love life, passion is in the air, Aries. If you are in a relationship, surprise your partner with an unexpected gesture to reignite the spark. Singles may feel a surge of confidence that draws others toward them. Be genuine and let your true self shine. Career, creative ideas will flow effortlessly today. Use this inspiration to tackle complex problems or start a new project. Others may seek your input, so be prepared to step into a mentor-like role. Your vision will be appreciated, but don't overlook the practical details. Well-being, your fiery energy is infectious today. Use it to fuel a productive day, but remember to pace yourself. Avoid overstimulation by incorporating quiet moments into your schedule. Advice: let your creativity guide you, but remain practical. Surprise loved ones with your thoughtfulness to create lasting memories. Lucky color, red. Lucky number, 5. Taurus, 21st November 2024. Love life, Taurus, a sense of nostalgia may color your day. If you are in a relationship, reminisce with your partner about shared memories, it will bring you closer. For singles, someone from your past could resurface, stirring up emotions. Reflect on whether revisiting old connections aligns with your current goals. Career, a steady and disciplined approach is crucial today. You may find yourself revisiting previous tasks to refine or improve them. While this may feel repetitive, it's an opportunity to showcase your attention to detail. Stay patient, your thoroughness won't go unnoticed by higher-ups. Well-being, you might feel slightly drained today, so prioritize rest and self-care. Focus on grounding activities that restore your energy. Avoid overextending yourself and opt for an early night if needed. Advice: take a moment to reflect on both personal and professional matters. Revisiting the past can offer clarity, but don't dwell for too long, stay focused on moving forward. Lucky color, forest green. Lucky number, 2. Gemini, 21st November 2024. Love life, romantic energy is heightened today, Gemini. If you are in a relationship, plan a fun outing or surprise your partner with something thoughtful. Singles may experience an exciting encounter with someone who shares their sense of adventure, be open to spontaneity. Career, creative ideas flow easily today, making it a great time for brainstorming or tackling projects that require innovation. Colleagues may seek your advice, appreciating your fresh perspective. Stay organized to avoid getting overwhelmed by multiple tasks. Well-being, you are feeling light-hearted and energetic today, making it a great time for social activities or physical exercise. Dancing, jogging, or trying a new activity can boost your mood. Advice: let your playful side shine. Use your creativity to bring joy and inspiration to yourself and others. Lucky color, sky blue. Lucky number, 7. Cancer, 21st November 2024. Love life, romance is in the air today, Cancer. Whether you are single or in a relationship, today brings a chance for emotional connection and intimacy. If you are in a partnership, plan a special date or a meaningful gesture to express your love. Singles may find themselves forming a deeper bond with someone they've recently met. Career, today, you may find your creative energies are heightened. It's a great time to think outside the box and approach your work with a fresh perspective. If you've been stuck in a routine, This is the perfect day to innovate and come up with new solutions. Well-being: emotionally, you are in a good place, but be cautious of burnout. Make sure to set aside time for activities that replenish your energy. A walk in the fresh air or time with loved ones can help keep your spirits high. Advice: nurture both your personal connections and creative endeavors today. Your heart and mind will benefit from the balance. Lucky color: silver. Lucky number: 4. Leo, 21st November 2024. Love life: expect some emotional ups and downs in your love life today. If you are in a relationship, try to avoid misunderstandings by focusing on clear communication. Small conflicts may arise, but they can be resolved with patience and empathy. If you are single, focus on being comfortable in your own skin and let any potential connections come naturally. Career: today is ideal for collaboration and teamwork. You'll find that working with others brings you success, Leo. If there are any projects or assignments that require joint effort, this is your time to shine. Your leadership and generosity will be appreciated by your colleagues. Well-being: pay attention to your emotional health today, Leo. If you are feeling overwhelmed or stressed, take some time for self-care. A light walk or a few moments of meditation can help ground you and restore your energy. Advice: patience is key today, especially when dealing with emotions. Clear communication will help you navigate through any challenges smoothly. Lucky color: gold. Lucky number: 1. Virgo, 21st November 2024. Love life: in your love life, Virgo, today could bring up feelings of uncertainty. If you are in a relationship, there may be some unspoken tension between you and your partner. It's a good day for honest communication. If you are single, don't rush into anything new. Focus on understanding what you need emotionally before pursuing a connection. Career: you may face some challenges at work today, Virgo, but nothing you can't handle. Focus on your problem-solving skills and take a systematic approach to any issues that arise. This is a good day to prove your resilience and resourcefulness. Well-being: it's crucial today to protect your mental health. If you feel overwhelmed, take time for a mental reset. Disconnect from technology and engage in something that allows you to reset your mind, such as reading or engaging in a hobby. Your well-being will benefit from this quiet time. Advice: use your analytical nature to break down any problems that arise today. With a calm, methodical approach, you'll overcome any obstacles. Lucky color: beige. Lucky number: 9. Libra, 21st November 2024. Love life: today may bring a sense of emotional clarity in your romantic life. If you are in a relationship, your connection with your partner may deepen as you share your vulnerabilities. Singles may find themselves reassessing what they truly want in a partner. Pay attention to any emotional patterns that need healing. Career: your professional life may feel more intense today, with added responsibilities or expectations. While you thrive under pressure, remember to pace yourself. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks to others if necessary. A little teamwork can help lighten the load. Well-being: you may experience some stress today, Libra, especially if you are juggling multiple tasks. Try to find moments of calm throughout the day, whether it's stepping away for a few minutes or practicing mindful breathing. Your well-being will benefit from maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Advice: don't let external pressures overwhelm you. Focus on what you can control and lean on your support network when needed. You have the strength to handle today's demands with grace. Lucky color: pink. Lucky number: 6. Scorpio, 21st November 2024. Love life: Scorpio, today is all about emotional depth in your love life. If you are in a relationship, you may feel the desire to explore new dimensions of intimacy with your partner. This is a great time for connecting on a spiritual or emotional level. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who shares their passions or values. Be open to forming a deeper connection. Career: at work, you might feel like you are at a crossroads today, Scorpio. The decisions you make today could influence your future trajectory, so take the time to think carefully before acting. If you feel uncertain, seek advice from trusted colleagues or mentors. You'll have the clarity you need once you take a moment to reflect. Well-being: your well-being is a focus today. You may feel the need to rejuvenate both physically and mentally. Consider engaging in a relaxing activity like yoga or meditation. This will help you reset and restore your energy levels, especially if you've been feeling emotionally drained lately. Advice: take your time today, Scorpio. Don't rush any decisions, whether in love or career. Clarity will come when you give yourself the space to think things through. Lucky color: deep purple. Lucky number: 8. Sagittarius, 21st November 2024. Love life: Sagittarius, today may be a day to focus on building deeper emotional connections. If you are in a relationship, expect to have a meaningful conversation with your partner about your values, dreams, and desires. This could be a turning point in your relationship. For singles, don't rush into anything new. Take the time to understand your own emotional needs first. Career: today, you may feel a strong sense of ambition in your career. There could be an opportunity to take on a more prominent role or responsibility. Trust your intuition and assert yourself with confidence. Your efforts will be recognized. However, be mindful not to let work overshadow your personal life. Well-being: physically, today is a great day to focus on grounding yourself. Engage in activities that promote mental clarity, such as yoga or meditation. Emotional well-being may be tied to your ability to balance your inner world with the external pressures around you. Take time to nurture yourself. Advice: focus on creating emotional harmony today. Whether in love or work, balance your desire for success with the need to stay true to yourself. Lucky color: turquoise. Lucky number: 3. Capricorn, 21st November 2024. Love life: Capricorn, today could bring some mixed feelings in your romantic life. If you are in a relationship, try to avoid getting caught in misunderstandings or emotional disconnects. Focus on clear and honest communication to avoid any tension. For singles, be mindful of your expectations. Don't settle for less than what you truly desire. Career: at work, today is a great time for negotiations or discussions that require clarity and diplomacy. You may need to balance your need for control with the willingness to collaborate with others. Trust your instincts, but be flexible in your approach. This is a good day to iron out any professional conflicts or uncertainties. Well-being: emotionally, you may feel a bit sensitive today, so be sure to give yourself space when needed. Physically, take time to relax your body, especially if you've been feeling tense. Gentle exercise or stretching can help alleviate stress and keep your energy flowing. Advice: practice patience and understanding today. In both personal and professional situations, it's important to listen and communicate clearly to avoid unnecessary tension. Lucky color: brown. Lucky number: 10. Aquarius, 21st November 2024. Love life: Aquarius, today your love life may require some compromise. If you are in a relationship, communication could be a bit tricky. It's important to listen as much as you speak. Mutual understanding is key. For singles, a friendship could evolve into something more, but be patient and let things unfold naturally. Career: at work, you may face a challenging situation that requires your quick thinking. Your ability to stay calm under pressure will help you navigate any obstacles. Trust your intuition to guide you through difficult decisions, and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. Well-being: today, be mindful of your energy levels. You may feel mentally drained by the challenges you face, so it's important to take breaks and practice self-care. Spend time in nature or engage in physical activities that relax your mind and body. Advice: maintain a balance between being proactive and patient today. Allow things to unfold naturally, especially when it comes to relationships and work decisions. Take time for yourself. Lucky color: violet. Lucky number: 11. Pisces, 21st November 2024. Love life: Pisces, today brings a harmonious energy to your relationships. If you are in a partnership, you'll find it easy to connect on a deeper level. Sharing your emotions will bring you closer together. For singles, you may meet someone who values emotional intimacy as much as you do. Trust your heart to guide you. Career: your work life may feel more stable today. There's a sense of accomplishment in the air as you work through your tasks with ease. If you've been waiting for a response or approval, today might bring good news. Your efforts are being noticed, even if you don't hear it right away. Well-being: today is a good day to focus on physical wellness. Consider taking a yoga class, going for a jog, or practicing mindfulness through breathing exercises. These activities will help you find balance between mind and body. Don't forget to nurture your emotional health too. Take time for quiet reflection. Advice: focus on maintaining your inner peace today. You are in a good flow, and staying grounded will help you achieve your goals. Lucky color: sea green. Lucky number: 12.